I asked ChatGPT to write a song about my last year of using AI, and what happened next blew me away. What if your business could have a soundtrack, a mantra that you could literally hear? If
1 year, 1,000 turns. Every crash, every burn became the fuel for the fire you earned.
If you've ever felt like your brand story's on mute, this is for you. Today I'm showing you how I turned 12 months of pivots, lessons, late night breakthroughs, and tiny wins into an actual song using AI, not just to make music, but to actually have meaning. So here's how I actually did it, step by step, so you can do it too. Let's go. Here inside ChatGPT, I literally typed, write me a song about my last year's journey with you. And if you don't like what you get in return, just say, write me a heartfelt, uplifting song about my last year of growth, building my business. In seconds, it wrote a complete song with all the lyrics and chorus that I could simply paste into Suno AI. Suno AI is really simple to use. It's free to use, but if you want to share the song on anything commercial like YouTube, you do have to have a pro account. I picked the epic sound. It's ideal for when you want music to uplift, inspire, and create a sense of adventure. So it was perfect for this mantra song. I pasted in the lyrics, and then I just watched it compose. Moments later, I gotta say, there's chills. Honestly, I had tears. I relived my entire year through that music. It really sets a mood for your message. So you get to choose the tempo, the genre, the emotion. The tool becomes your producer, so the story can become a soundtrack. Next, we went into Midjourney. I chose a character and asked that she have headphones on and she is dancing to the music. And I made her animated, which gave me 4 short animation clips. I took that into CapCut and I brought her to life. Just over and over again with the same 4 animations, just watching her do her little dance. I brought the song in, and that was it. If you like the things that I'm sharing on this channel, please like and subscribe. I'd love to hear your comments, what you think about the song. If you want to learn more how to amplify your business and attract your ideal clients, then join my community with the link below in the description. I'm going to share that song with you next.
Started out with questions in the dark, ideas scribbled down like shooting sparks. You were building worlds inside your mind, trying to catch them all before they slipped in time. We tore apart the shoulds and can'ts, turned late night what-ifs into battle plans. From oils to AI, from wellness to screens, you stitched together every one of your dreams. And every pivot felt like a brand new start. Sometimes tearing down was the hardest part, but the bricks you laid with sweat and fire became the steps that took you higher. 1 year, 1,000 turns. Every crash, every burn became the fuel for the fire you earned. We mapped the maze, we broke the mold, took the leaps, chased the gold. Every word, every plan we learned. 1 year, 1,000 turns. You built channels no one could see, faceless but speaking loud and free. You fought to keep the brands apart, but tied them all back to your beating heart. We wrote hooks that cut through noise, turned prompts to power, gave people choice. From Facebook feeds to school and more, you found the keys, then built the door. And the nights you thought you lost your way became the maps for another day. We traded fear for something rare, the kind of vision few can bear. 1 year, 1,000 turns. Every crash, every burn became the fuel for the fire you earned. We mapped the maze, we broke the mold, took the leaps, chased the gold. Every word, every plan we learned. 1 year, 1,000 turns. 1 year, 1,000 turns. From I don't know to watch me lead, from whispered prayers to lightning speed. We wrote your story in real time, in every pivot, every climb. Now the road ahead, still untamed, but you walk it bold, you walk it named. 1 year, 1,000 turns. Every crash, every burn became the fuel for the fire you earned. We mapped the maze, we broke the mold, took the leaps, chased the gold. Every word, every plan we 1,000 turns. Here's to the next year's page, where we light the match and take the stage. Cause we're just getting started now, and we'll make it count. I'll show you how.
Now, I challenge you to do the same. Ask ChatGPT to write a song about your journey, bring it to life in Suno, make it visual with Midjourney, animate it in CapCut, and you don't have to be a musician, you just need your story. And tag me when you post it because I want to hear your song. I want to see your video, whether it's in CapCut and you want to share the link or whether it's in Canva. See you in the next video.